Mr. Pie. You're out in your garden awful early. You want to share what's going on out here?
Sure. These down here are my Johnny jump ups.
Which a lot of them you found on your pathway and transplanted, huh?
And I just planted these little lettuces. And then my strawberries. And my flowers.
Daffodils are almost done, but they've been beautiful. And then what's over here?
Sweet violets.
Big patch of sweet violets. There's a comfrey over there. And what's under this tote?
Radishes.
Exciting. You love radishes, huh? And then you've had some little spring bulbs over here. And then what's over on your other side here?
Just a mix of a bunch of different flowers.
Yep, a whole bunch of perennial flowers here, and we're looking forward to seeing what comes back from last year, huh? Cool. Anything else you want to show us in your garden? Oh, these are some little wild violets, that you found. A couple different varieties. Those are beautiful.
So tiny.
Super tiny. We'll have to share with everyone in a couple of weeks an update on your garden, huh?
Yep.
You are just absolutely loving gardening. And I'm loving that you're loving it. It's great to have a friend out here in the garden. And you're so capable now. She's able to do all sorts of things out here, guys. It's super fun.
And Biddle just learned how to take sprouts out of a pot.
Yeah, Biddle's even helping a little bit. And she's kind of unhelping too. She likes to pick flowers and just kind of toss them around. Makes the pathway pretty though. Well, good morning everyone. Welcome back to the homestead. How are you all doing? I think I can ask some questions again because it looks like YouTube has reinstated our comments. Yay! We'll see if they keep them active or not, but we're excited that it looks like so far they're on the last few videos they've stayed active. So how are you? We hope you're all staying well. I would love to know if any of you are as excited as we are about gardening. Have you planted anything yet? Please share in the comments below if they're still active. We've got an exciting day. Looks like beautiful weather, so hopefully we're gonna be getting all the chores done for the morning. The guys have to go get sawdust, but then we're hoping to do some work in the garden, at least the children and I. Kip's gonna be taken off for the second half of the day to be a part of something really cool, and hopefully he'll take you along for that. Part of that involves you guys, all those who have helped support our fundraiser. You're gonna get to see today how we're going to help another family with 10% of what y'all gave. So stay tuned for that. Should be a great day. I'm looking forward to it. Breakfast this morning is a strange combination. We've got savory eggs with kale powder, garlic, and rosemary, and oatmeal. What do you think of that, Esther Pie? Strange combination, huh?
Yeah.
But it's food, so we'll be thankful, huh? Good morning, Beetle Boo. How are you this morning?
Good.
Did you have good sleep?
Yes.
Yeah. Are you still waking up?
Yeah, I did pizza.
You what?
I did pizza.
Can't hear you.
I did pizza.
Oh, you did a big nap? Yes. Nighttime is a big nap, huh? Let's go check on the baby. Upstairs. There she is. Good morning. Oh, big smiles. Are you a happy girl this morning? Yes. She's a morning girl. Big smiles. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, J-Pod. Bright and early, isn't it?
All right, so here we are, getting sawdust, something we have to do about every 6 months or so. So it's really nice to get this done. especially on a beautiful sunny day. So, got Joshy, Keegan, Nathan, and Joseph's playing on the sawdust hill. So, oh, he says he's gonna start working a little. So here we go, get this job done. Looks like we're all loaded up, Joshy.
Yep. Done with this part of the job.
How was it?
Good.
Yeah. Truck and trailer load full. Good to go. All right, looks like we got a pretty good load.
Yeah.
We haven't gotten it much fuller than that before, have we?
No, we haven't.
Uh-huh. So that's about waist high to you. Yep. And it's eight feet wide and 4 feet deep. Now we're gonna take the rest of what we have here up for the Kellogg's. She's excited. Company! Well, I'll make the sacrifice and be the cameraman.
Yeah.
I'll take the hit for the team. All right, you guys, this is the family that we decided to give the tithe to for the fundraiser we did. So please just tell us a little about yourselves and what you have going on.
Hi, I'm Rogan. This is my lovely wife Soraya, and we've been living in our camper for a little over 3.5 years now. And so we're very blessed to be moving into our new house that we're currently building. And thanks to you guys and Kip and his family, we look forward to trying to be moved in by this weekend.
Very cool. How many children do you have?
We have 4 boys and 1 child on the way.
Yes. 4 boys.
And a homestead in the works, and fruit trees are blooming, sun shining, so it's a beautiful day here at the farm.
There you go. Very cool.
Shalom.
Shalom.
Alright guys, back in the garden. Kip and Joseph are back home, and he and Esther have been working on his garden bed. So he wanted to show you all his garden bed, and then I'll just give you a quick update on what's going on in the garden, and then we're going to be closing out the video. Alright Joseph, show us what you've got over here.
So I have some strawberries along here,
I see.
and I have some chives, some
Big
comfrey,
old garlic chives, and what was that in the corner?
comfrey, and
Do you remember what this herb is down here?
that.
He's got some creeping thyme that's looking like it's needing some trimming, huh? Need to trim all the old stuff off.
And some lamb's quarter.
Oh, we almost forgot lamb's quarter. He transplanted.
And what's this skin? And a Johnny jump up.
And a tiny Johnny jump up. Very good. Your bed's looking really good, Joseph. So next we'll be planting some annuals in there, huh?
Animals?
Annuals, when it warms up a little. Well, it's actually almost time, you know that? You got a few seeds started in the greenhouse, huh? Watermelon?
Mm-hmm.
So are you going to transplant those out here when they're ready?
Yep.
Cool. So the thing that I've been working on today in the garden is dividing out and thinning out our perennial herbs. We've got an abundance of things like comfrey and garlic chives, wormwood, red crimson bee balm, echinacea, all sorts of things. I'm not anywhere close to being done, but I've gotten a few potted up and some transplanted out on our big new swale and that goes into the duck pond. Kind of cleaned up one of my other herb beds and divvied out some of the flowers and things. I also had a bunch of perennial flowers mostly started in the greenhouse last fall, and so we transplanted those out today too, huh, Esther Pie? Mm-hmm. Esther has been a tremendous help in the garden. She absolutely loves being here. She added some more things to her garden today too, which once they get established, she'll be able to share those with you. I'll just show you a few little clips of some of what's been going on here in the garden. And then it's Yummy Sunday, so we're gonna go in and have supper. Kip's in there working on it right now. I did want to say a real quick thing about the comments. For those who don't know, we have not had control of comments for over a year now, but it looks like YouTube has reestablished them. However, we are holding all comments for approval, so we've got to sort through them and approve them, and then they go into another spot and then we can actually respond to them. So anyway, if you don't see your comment right away, it's because we haven't been able to approve it yet. And we just want to make sure that no inappropriate comments slip through that way. I think that's it. Thank you again for everyone who has been praying and giving to our fundraiser. We are definitely moving forward on a lot of things on the homestead and in the home, and that's been a huge, huge, tremendous blessing. So thank you. Thank you, thank you. We're gonna keep the fundraiser going for a little bit longer. So if you're interested, check out the links below in the description. And until next time, we pray blessings over you and yours. And whatever you do it with your whole heart.
Guys, this is a really nice jar. I'm gonna show you why. Oh, no you don't.